From AS Arangana. From Inube. From JCLB Realty. Hello. So, welcome po sa inyong lahat. Before we proceed, bibigyan tayo ng isang opening remarks ng aming finance and manager na si Miss Jennifer Margalio.
Good morning. First word for the day, thank you. Thank you for coming here today to celebrate with us for the recognition. Yung mga kasama natin sa ating hanap buhay. Pangalawa, thank you sa pag-suporta sa business. Yun in our, pag nakita ninyo natin ito, nakikita natin kung paano nag-evolve ang ating community, ang ating holiday homes tree. So, maybe some of you hindi na, ano ba itong dito? Ito ho yung kung paano na, gaano na nag-improve, kaganda, gaano karami ang community natin. Kita natin ang aerial view. So, this is an actual shot ng aerial view ng ating community. Okay, today, maybe some of you, I don't know kung maraming wala, kami nalulungkot. Pero pwedeng kayo ay masaya kasi confident na sila sa prizes mamaya. Meron tayong 3 prizes for the, kaya that's why you keep ibinigay at absent ng numbers. Kasi we're going to draw yung 3 maswerte na attending ngayon. And then today also we are recognizing yung 3 top sales agents natin. So, sabi nga pasalamat kami dahil naging priority nyo ang pagbenta ng holiday homes tree. Lahat naman ng mga nagbenta may contribution kasi they're part of the business and they're part of the parang working dito sa ating holiday homes tree. I will not take much of the time kasi we have maybe you just allotted 2 or 3 hours for today's activity.
Bye-bye.
Again, I welcome you and I thank you. Thank you for coming over.
Thank you, ma'am. Ito ang aming finance and admin manager, si Miss Jennifer Margalio. So go with, papakilala ko rin sa inyo si Miss Beth Apolinar. Siya yung sa senior sales and marketing namin. Based siya sa Makati. Say hi, Tita Beth! So, si Miss Erling sa documentation. So, si Miss Joanne, kasama rin namin sa documentation. And si Miss Cora. Where's Tita Cora? Saan si Tita Cora? So, si Cora at ako ang assign dito sa site para sa lahat ng inventories and price list. So, sa selling, kami ni Cora yung naka-assign. Yun si Ate Cora. Si RJ yung sa aming housekeeping. So, si RJ po ang utak ng lahat ng mga design, tarpaulin, at lahat ng nakikita niyong maganda si RJ po ang nagawa. Palakpakan naman natin si RJ. So, sa engineering namin, basta may sistema ang inyong buyer, ang punch list, nandun si Andy at saka si Engineer May. Nasaan sila?
11.
Yung si Kuya Andy. Si Engineer May yung naunahin saan? Umiikot-ikot. So makikilala nyo rin siya once na nag-turnover kayo ng bahay sa inyong mga buyers. So next, since hindi naman lahat na andito, we will distribute na yung certification, ang aming maliit pero mahalagang pasasalamat sa inyong lahat sa pagsuporta nyo sa pagbebenta sa holiday homes. We will start from alphabetical, no? So, may I request Ma'am Jennifer Margalio sa gitna, Miss Beth Apolinar and Miss Joanne. brokers and agents from Strike Gold to go in front para community. From RCD Realty. From Global Homes Realty and Development Corporation. Okay, from Group ng Global. Thank you. From Patenyo Realty. Okay, from 101 Realty. From Zonal Realty.
Yay!
Ang effort na ginawa nyo sa BJS and nagpapasalamat kami doon. From the management of BJS Development Corporation, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So, from 2015, we have the number 3 top selling broker. Agent, actually, ang pagkuha namin ng top 3 agent ay nanggaling sa top 3 broker din. So, ang top 3 namin is from
Ito yan.
Rise and Shine. Nasaan mga taga Rise and Shine? Kayo po ang top 3 namin last year. Ang pangalawa namin is from RCD. So, hindi broker lang. Ang number 1 is Sona Realty. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So, this time, since nag-excel naman yung buong broker, binigyan naman namin kayo ng karampatang commission doon, which is alam namin na yun yung pinaka gusto nyo. Well, syempre, since may individual na pagsisikap, we will give award on the top 3 agent. So, from that top 3 broker, doon kami kumuha ng top 3 agent. So, to start with, ang top 3, magsisimula tayo sa third top sales performer. Holiday Homes, BGS Development Corporation, recognizing Miss Irene Bacalma from Rise and Shine Realty as the top sales performer for 2015. So, we will give you yung plaque and a cash and a trip to Riverside Highway.
Riverside lang pala.
Thank you! May naman si Em. This is it. Ito po ang pinakamakulit. Ito po ang pinakamakulit. Kahit natutulog ka ng tanghaling tapat, linggo-linggo, madaling araw na umulit for the inventory. Pero nagbunga naman ang kanyang ginawa. So, siguro next year kayo naman ang susunod. Pag ibibenta nyo na yung 134 units namin ay i-discuss
Oh, ang dami.
So,
Nasaan yun?
the first top sales performance for 2015 goes to Sonal Realty, Mr. Mark Anthony!
Hey!
Meron po siyang individual sales na 17 million pesos. Pero may cancel siyang 18 million. So, ano po yun? Sales niya sa kanyang sarili is 17 million. Trip to Jerusalem. So, maraming salamat. We will discuss na. Alam kong ito na yung pinakahihintay nyo. And ang dami yung makulit dito. Nakakaubos ng load. But, you know, yun yung trabaho natin. Meron kaming i-open. The 134 lots for Georgia. But this time, hindi namin i-open ang buong 134 lots open for sale. We will make a priority block na i-open. Hindi kami mag-open sa kabilang block hanggang hindi nauubos yung priority block. This time, we will sell block 4. We have 33 lots for that. So, saan located ang block 4? Located po ang block 4 sa harapan natin. Kung nakikita niyo po yung mother na yon, mula dito sa may tapat ng kotseng pula, going doon sa dulo na yon, yun po yung block 4. Walang katalikuran. So we have 33 units open for that. But I think yung 32 lang yung sellable, yung 1 kasi is irregular cut. So 32 units lang. May questions? May violent reaction ba kayo?
Anong lot area niya?
Georgia lahat yun. Okay, bibigyan namin bawat isang broker ng kopya ng highlighted na block na i-open namin.
Extension ito ng Georgia natin. Kasi nakita natin, ito yung mabilis na ibenta. So, yung supposedly part ng Zoe, we converted it into Georgia. Kasi yung nakita natin requirement hindi ng ating mga buyer. So, yung block 40 na yan, ginawa na lang na block 4.
So, okay. So, since block 4 tayo, meron lang 60 at saka 44 lang yung area. 40. So, meron bang broker na magre-reserve today? Meron. So, meron kaming corners ng 60 inner and 60 and 64. Plus 66, merong isa. The rest, 40. Yung isang corner, 76. So, ang good news.
Price.
Gusto niyo ng good news?
No down.
Yung presyo,
No down.
gusto niyo na may equity? Wala.
Wala. Meron.
Kung merong equity, syempre meron din kaming kondisyon. This time, hindi na si BJS na nakilala nyo dati, na napaka-bait. Ngayon, malupit na kami. So, this time, meron tayong equity sa 60 square meter. Pero, sa 40 square meter, wala tayo.
tayong equity.
Ang reservation is 5,000. Pero more or less, yung computation ng aming sales kay Miss Beth, nasa 5,400 plus. But then, sabi ko nga sa inyo, meron tayong condition. So, sasabihin ni Ma'am Jennifer.
Yung walang equity, that's also dependent sa income mo. Kasi siyempre kung 500 o siyempre may ano yan. But kung social as nagtaas na ng personal qualities natin, so yung dating at a certain income, equity, ngayon wala. Pero siyempre nga, relative pa rin sa income. Pero, yeah.
Kailan ang construction yan?
Nakaline up siya for construction within the next 2-3 months. Kasi we wanted yung documentation before kasi we file sa may timing kasi tayo ng filing. So, una, yung completion ng documents natin, diba, dapat yung first set within 1 month, otherwise it will be cancelled. Tapos second, yung ano. And then, kung may equity sila, they should start paying the equity kasi based from our experience, yung mga nagpag-ibig, hindi naman lahat, but a lot, nakikiwan yung equity. Ang nangyayari, bali yung portion na, that's why we came up with the guarantee ng commission sa equity.